Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. I just realized I never drew something Pokemon related on this channel, and that's a bit strange because my son is a big fan of Pokemon. He's watching Pokemon all the time, he has seen the movies, he plays the games. He has asked me several times to do something Pokemon related, and today is the day we're going to make it happen. I'm going to draw Team Rocket in my own style. And am I the only one who thinks that James looks a lot like Trunks from Dragon Ball Z? Maybe they're family, who knows? So let's draw Jessie and James from Team Rocket, and because you guys are so awesome for watching this video, I will throw in Meowth as well as a bonus. Isn't that an awesome deal? You just can thank me by liking this video or subscribing if you haven't already. Now let's get to drawing. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you liked my version of Jessie and James of Theme Rocket. If you did, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!